Do your machines come with a warranty? Yes, absolutely. They all carry a 12-month parts only warranty. We can send the part out to you if anything goes wrong at all within the first 12 months. We will guide you through how to replace that part. The vast majority of what we do is so straightforward. We can talk you through it, or we can help you over video. If call out is required and we agree that with you, then of course we will have to charge call out to come to site to replace the part. If for any reason you need that service and you request us to do that, then of course we would charge, but we do not charge for any of the parts. The only exception for charging for parts would be obviously customer damage. So if you've had an accident, pulled a wire out, broken something, snapped something, then unfortunately we do have to charge for that, as I'm sure you would more than understand. But you know, generally speaking, most of it is very straightforward to replace. We can help you and advise you on the way forward. So you're covered for 12 months. There are options to extend that, and of course there are options for service and maintenance contracts as well, should they be needed. I hope that that's helped cover that question. If you want any further information around this subject at all, please do get in contact with us, of course by email, or give us a phone call. We'd be happy to talk to you. Thank you very much for watching.